Imagine checking the loose change in your pocket right now and finding a single, ordinary looking copper penny that is actually worth more than a luxury sports car. It sounds like an absolute fairy tale, doesn't it? But for a few incredibly lucky people, this unbelievable dream became a stunning reality thanks to a massive, historic mistake made at the Philadelphia Mint back in the year 1955. This is the fascinating story of the 1955 doubled die Lincoln, penny a coin that is widely considered by experts to be the ultimate king of all error coins in American history. To truly understand why this specific penny is so incredibly valuable and rare, we first have to look at the secret behind how it was actually made. During the minting process, a steel coin die, which is the heavy stamp used to press the design onto the blank metal, must be struck multiple times by a master hub to fully transfer the detailed image. But on one fateful night in 1955, a tired Mint employee made a critical, irreversible error. The die shifted slightly between the strikes, creating a prominent, misaligned double image on the steel itself. When this defective die was placed into the high-speed production press, it began stamping thousands of pennies with a dramatic, ghostly doubling effect. And let me tell you, this doubling is not subtle at all. You do not need a magnifying glass, a microscope, or professional eyes to notice it. If you look closely at a genuine 1955 doubled die penny, the entire year 1955, the famous phrase, "In God we trust," and the word liberty look completely blurred, as if you are looking at them with dizzy double vision. Interestingly, the central profile of Abraham Lincoln himself remained largely unaffected by the mistake, which actually makes the distorted, doubled text stand out even more to the naked eye. So, how did these crazy mistakes escape into the public? It is estimated that roughly 20,000 to 24,000 of these doubled pennies were accidentally mixed into a massive batch of millions of normal coins. They were loaded into high-speed counting machines, packed into heavy canvas bags, and shipped out across the country before any supervisor noticed the defect. Most of them ended up in cigarette vending machines across the northeastern United States, particularly in New York and Massachusetts. By the time the United States Mint officially realized what had happened, it was simply too late to recall them from circulation. As rumors of the mysterious double-date penny spread like wildfire across the country, a massive collecting frenzy began. People were frantically tearing open rolls of pennies, searching through old jars, and checking every single cent, hoping to strike it rich overnight. Today, because so many of these coins were lost, damaged, or heavily worn down over the decades, finding one in pristine condition is incredibly rare. Hitting a jackpot like this can completely change a collector's life in an instant. Just how valuable is it today? Let's look at the staggering numbers. Even a heavily worn, scratched version found in an old piggy bank can easily sell for over $1,000. But if the coin is in perfect, uncirculated condition, the price skyrockets straight into the stratosphere. In fact, the ultimate historical record was broken in March 2023, when a spectacular high-grade 1955 double die penny was sold at a major public auction for an earth-shattering $124,875. Yes, you heard that right. Over $124,000 for a single, tiny piece of copper.
If you enjoyed this deep dive into numismatic history, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more stories about the world's rarest coins. See you in the next video.